Hi everyone, this is Chandni Singh and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is something totally different. Today's video is a highly requested video and I'm going to talk about skincare. Now all those people who follow me on Instagram, they know I'm so religious with my skincare over the weekends. Not only over the weekends, even weekday. If I feel that I just have some time, even if it is 15 minutes, I'll just apply something on my face all the time and I'm roaming around and then I just remove it before I kind of have to step out for work or something. Trust me ladies, you just need 15-20 minutes of your time every day to do this. I'd also not recommend skincare like application of too many things every day, because removing it and everything, you can tend to irritate your skin, especially if you are sensitive. Also, I just want to say these are my own personal experiences that I'm mentioning here, and if you are somebody who has sensitive skin, I request you to do a patch test on your skin before you do anything. Maybe something that works for me might not work for you. So as I'm again mentioning, these are all my personal experiences because I've been doing it for the longest time. So I mostly see people take their skin for granted, just like I did as well, so I'm not saying that we all are very serious about things right from the very beginning. However, I would say I woke up at the age of 33 where I felt that I needed to do something for my face and for my body, and I actually kind of changed my lifestyle at the age of 33, where I became a little conscious about what I was eating, what I was drinking, and how to take care of things. Like I can proudly say now that I have been using sunblock every single day of my life, whether I step out of the house or not. And yes, I can see the changes in my skin. Like, I feel blessed when women compliment me on their skin. However, I do feel that my under eye has always been my weakest point. And trust me, I do everything to keep it hydrated. And I also feel that water intake is something that we all take for granted. I feel just because it's free, we don't drink it enough, right? So I'm going to start with one of my top favorite face packs, and before I also start, I want to tell you all that we all need to increase our water intake drastically. Before you get out of bed, start drinking a bottle of, if not warm water, room temperature water. In fact, that's one thing that you need to start doing, is stop having cold water. If you can't drink warm water, just consume water which is at room temperature, and you need to start doing this first thing before you step out of bed, right? And trust me, this will also help you lose weight, and everything that this bottle of water does to you will come on your hair and your skin. Your skin will be glowing from within. Also, I have my multivitamins, of course, which have been recommended to me by my general physician. So I do have my dose of omega-3 acids, and I do have calcium with zinc in it. These have been recommended to me by my doctor. Apart from this, I have a lot of chia seeds and flax seeds and other kind of seeds. So I alternate it, like for a month I'll have sesame, and then for a month I'll only have chia and flax seeds. Also make sure these are unprocessed and unsalted. Try and refrain from putting any kind of excessive salt or sugar in your body. And then for a month I will have wheatgrass water only, and then for a month I will just have lime juice with the apple cider vinegar in warm water. Then for a month I'll just have plain lime water with mint leaves in it. So keep doing things for yourself, right? And these are the things that I do first thing in the morning. Have a bottle of water. I also, like as I said, I will have my flaxseed and this and that, and I'll keep doing something or the other which will benefit my body from within. So today I'm going to tell you a very simple face mask, and people have been telling me, we don't want to know your expensive skincare. So I did a skincare video which I think wasn't very well received because all the products I had used in it were expensive and not available here. And it's only that now that I've been shooting videos, I understand the vibe of my followers and my subscribers. So everything I'm going to do today is going to be very easy, and it's all going to be available at home. So yes, I will not say that I have sensitive skin. I do. I mean, only the apples of my cheeks are extremely sensitive. If anything has to go wrong, it will always go wrong there, right? But remember, ladies, that because the amount of makeup I wear every single day, yes, I work sometimes 7 days a week as well. And I usually I'm not saying I wear a lot of makeup every day, but I do wear my share of makeup to work. I just feel it just comes, I mean, it's a part of my profession too. I'm not saying I have to look like a model or an actress, but just a little bit. I also feel better when I cover my dark circles and my brows are filled and I have a little mascara on. And of course, after, mostly I'm busy with my classes, because people who follow me, they know I do a lot of professional makeup classes and personal makeup classes. And then I'm shooting videos, so which makes me wear, so I remove my minimal makeup and then I have full-blown makeup on my face. So I have makeup on my face all the time. And because of which, in fact, I mean, it's all kind of drying up now. I really wanted to shoot this video last week when all 3 pimples of mine were like full-blown with a cyst, and they were painful and they were inflamed, right? So there's 1, 2 and 3, all 3 of them were really big. I feel this, whatever I'm going to show now is going to help anybody who's got a lot of acne also on their face. I recommended this to my best friend who has very sensitive skin, acne prone. And every time now she gets her share of pimples, that's the first thing she does, and she always thanks me for it, right? So banana, so that is one thing, so easily available. Also, I just want to say that it is kind of ripe right now. It's not, it's like a fresh new ripe banana. In fact, if I would eat it, it'll also feel a little raw. That's the kind of banana you need to get, right? So I'm going to show you both the things that you benefit out of it. So even if you don't have acne on your face, but tan is something which we all face all the time, right? So when you peel your banana from next time, don't throw away that peel. That peel has so much of goodness in it, it's unbelievable. Next time you peel your banana, don't throw that away. This has so much of goodness in it, it's unbelievable. So first thing, what you can do is directly to your skin. Just take this and just kind of massage it into your skin. So if you're somebody who has acne, obviously it would depend on the amount of pressure. If you have full-blown acne, don't apply too much of pressure. Be gentle on your skin at the same time. If rubbing your skin like this really kind of inflames it and aggravates it, another thing what you can literally do is take a fork or a knife and peel it off, right? So this is what you really need to apply on your skin. I would still recommend applying the peel directly on your skin like that, with whatever pressure that really kind of works for you. So what does a banana really have? Let's discuss that first. It's got antibacterial properties which help you with your inflammation and any kind of acne on your face. So yes, I mean, even the amount of research and the amount I read up, I rarely read a negative review about it. So this is one thing that you can do. Just going through it again. This will also help you remove your tan. It will also reduce appearance of your brown spots on your skin. And of course, if you have acne, you're only going to benefit out of this. the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my favorite banana mask. So ideally what I would need is half a banana. So what I usually do, ladies, is in the morning when I go to the gym, I just eat half my banana and the other half I just mash it with my fork. I'll put a small spoon of honey in it. Now ladies, the honey I use is organic. In fact, when my driver goes back to his village, he gets me pure, unadulterated honey. So if not, you can just buy any organic honey online, whatever you have access to. And then I will squeeze half a lemon into it. And now I'm gonna mix this. And I'm gonna apply it to my face. So there you go, I've applied this all over my face. And don't try and make it too like it'll become too fine and it'll just keep slipping all over your face. So just apply the right amount of honey and just the right amount, like don't try and put more lemon in it. So the idea of putting lemon is also brightening up the face, right? Lemon, the citrus properties just brightens up your face, it removes the tan as well. So all in all, it's a fabulous face pack. That honey is also packed with antioxidants and it really soothes the skin as well and makes it really soft and supple. So there you go, I've just washed my face and it feels absolutely brilliant. I mean, the application of banana and honey also makes the skin feel very soft and supple. So if you're somebody who's got very coarse skin, make sure honey is definitely a part of it. And last but not the least, I'm just going to apply some face oil on myself generously. So everybody who follows me on Instagram knows that I love the Indulge Rose Gold Oil. So I love it so much that we sell it also at our studio. And this one is 100% organic, and all I do is I'll apply about 6 to 8 drops. So yes guys, it's summertime now, and it's not that just because it is summer, so I'm going to apply any less amount of oil on myself. You know, in fact, I feel most of the women who complain that their foundation does not set very well into their face, the reason is that you keep your skin too dry. So there you go, that. And I never step out without sunblock. And these days I've been using the Korean Cosmetics sunblock. This is SPF 50 and it does not even have a flashback. When I say flashback, your face does not look too white in it, right? And this one is priced at 1,000 rupees, and if you see the size, it's not a small size. That is 50 grams, right? And I have been applying it for over a month now, and all I need is just a tiny drop. So there you go, a face oil or sunblock and your makeup on top of it if need be, and you're ready to have a fabulous day. So I hope you like this video of mine. Do leave your comments if you tried this pack and whatever you felt. And again, I'm just repeating myself, if you have super sensitive skin, don't go ahead and just apply anything, be it, do a patch test on your skin. But I mean, I just so hope it works for everyone. And trust me, women, the thing about natural products is that you don't get results like that. You know, it's like skincare is a long, cumbersome process, and what I usually see is that women will just do it a couple of times and then you just kind of go like, nah, I don't see anything. I think our skin greatly benefits out of even the tiniest of thing we do for it, and this has to be a lifelong process. trust me, you and your skin deserve this pampering. So do let me know your thoughts on this, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. If not, subscribe to my channel now, press that bell icon and give me lots of love. Thank you.